Motorola has confirmed that its new budget smartphone. The screen is 6.5 inch tall and comes with an HD Plus resolution. At the top center has a hole punch cutout for the front camera. There is a 16 megapixels main camera along with a 2 megapixels depth sensor. For selfies, the phone has an 8 megapixels front camera. The device packs a 5000 mAh battery with 10-watt fast charging. It has side-mounted fingerprint scanner and face unlock technology. Moto E22s is tipped to be powered by the MediaTek Helio G37 chipset, and handset offers 64GB of storage and 4GB of RAM and 1TB expandable microSD card slot. Motorola will launch its latest Moto E22s handset in India on October 17. The smartphone will be available for purchase via Motorola and Flipkart.